Hello everyone. Did you recently buy a WordPress theme from ThemeForest or Inverto Marketplace? Install the demo and thought, why does my website still look bad? Or maybe the layout is broken on mobile, the site is very slow, the contact form is not sending emails, WooCommerce checkout not working, Google API not working properly, or after update the whole site crash. If yes, then relaxed, my dear friend. You are not alone. This happens with almost every pre-made theme. So, because you buying a theme does not mean your website is ready. It only means you bought a design, not a finished business website. And here is the truth. Demo websites you see on Inverto or any marketplace, they seems perfect images, perfect server and professional configuration. But when you install it on your hosting, everything changes. Speed drops, spacing breaks, font look different, plugin conflicts. So the problem is not you. The problem is on the themes and it needs professional customization. My name is Animes. I work as a WordPress developer and I customize themes and build new plugins according to your needs. Also, I optimize speed. I redesign section properly. I fix mobile layout. I repair broken forms and checkouts. I remove unnecessary plugins and if needed, I also created custom plugins based on business requirement. Basically, I convert a template website into a real business website. Most people waste weeks trying to fix themselves. But actually, these problems takes only a few hours for someone experienced. So, if your website is stuck, half finished, or not working the way you expected, you don't need to throw the theme away. You just need proper customization. You can contact me through the link in the description or visit my website and send your website details. I will check the issue and tell you exactly what needs to be done. Thank you, my dear friend, watching this video, and I hope your website finally start working for you, not against you. So again, thank you.